So here's this charger and it says connection break. I disconnected the battery, I reconnected it, connection break. Disconnect, reconnect, connection break. So here we have a few transistors. It's set to continuity. Diode, beeper. No beeping here. Almost nothing here. But there is continuity here. Nothing. That should be good. Oops. Oops. So bad transistor. Not enough heat in this one. Larger one, 400 degrees. Okay, now this transistor, which was down here, interesting, it's not conducting, no beeping at all, but the other one is conducting, so this definitely is damaged. So this 50N06 is conducting and it was here, and I'm going to replace that one with one that supports a larger amperage. The one on the right side is 60N06, so that's a 60NF06. Larger amperage should not hurt. Okay, and the other one, which had a diode sign on it on the left side, after I desoldered it, it's not conducting between any of those legs, so I will put this back. So I replaced only that transistor, is there. Well, let's see if it's good or not. LiPo, balance, 1 amp, hold it, battery check, 6 cell, okay. Now it's charging. Let's try it with another battery. I'm not sure what's doing. The amperage is 0, 25.2 is the maximum voltage. So let's stop it. Connect another battery. Balance, 24 and it's full. Oh, that's interesting. The other one was 25. 25.0 and full. Now that's interesting. So it's working, but it's stopping at different voltages. They are not even warm. This one is a little bit warmer. Raise up the MOSFETs a little bit. Put these heatsink things on them to transfer the heat. Oh, you should put this first. Great. So we have 1, 2 and 3 screws. So the transistors are here below and there. The buttons are here. Four cell battery, LiPo, balance, it's just a 4 cell and it's working. So you can charge a 16 volt battery from a 12 volt car battery.